Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. First, open Trust Wallet and select the coin you want to transfer. For example, USDT. Tap Send, then you'll need the recipient address and the amount. Next, open your Crypto.com app. Tap Deposit and select Crypto. Choose the same coin you want to transfer, USDT in this example, and select the network like Ethereum. Copy the wallet address displayed in Crypto.com, then go back to Trust Wallet. Paste the address, enter the amount, and tap Send. And that's it. Your crypto will transfer safely to Crypto.com. And that's how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.